Mallard duck out of the creek. I missed him. Oh well. We're driving down for dove hunting. We're dove hunting for doves in the nest.
Early
today.
season, not now. You said.
Huh?
We're jumping the season a little.
We got Trapper Joe here driving the big van.
Yeah, we're going to jump the season on turtle doves. We got to walk from here.
Okay, here we go.
Freeze your butter off, but that's better.
The dove we're looking for is right here in this evergreen tree. There's the pond. Yeah, it's not evergreen anymore. So we're going to get around behind her here by walking along the very scenic Juraco Creek here. Following Trapper Joe down along his favorite haunts to find the nesting habits of the wild turtle dove. We hear the killdeers in the background. Got a picture of a mallard already. This is it, folks. We're talking wildlife. Okay, we're gonna walk by her in an effort to fool her. I think we've gone past. Oh, there she went. And we missed her. There she goes across there in the weeds. But let's go check the nest real quick here before it's too late. It's right at the water's edge here. An old evergreen tree. Where in the dickens? Oh, there it is. There it is, right there. Evidently, the mother has already knocked one of the babies out.
Or somewhat needed. Oh, I see it down there.
He's probably dead now. And that's the way it is in nature. As Trapper Joe climbs down, Trapper Joe goes below to fetch the turtle dove. Holy cow, we just heard a fish flop out there too. There it is. Look at that little teeny swaddling. Yep, that is a baby. That little bambino ain't got much of a chance in that nest. As Trapper Joe places the swaddling back in, we'll see if it's going to survive.
He make it.
I don't know. I'd say it could be Touch or Joe. Touch and Joe from here. There he comes out of the nest. As I'm going to shut down and get in for a close-up. There they are, folks. Those two little devils right there. One of them dead, just picked up, probably saved his life. We'll have to come back as we follow these two through their life to see how they make it. Well, we've been here much too long now. We'll close for now on doves or not to doves. What? The date? Why, it's the 4th of April, 1987. We're gonna see Barbara today. And there's the house that Jack built and the barn that Jack refurbished. Well, so much for Little House on the Prairie. The wind's hitting us at about 50 miles an hour right now, and gusting. Trapper Joe's gonna take me home.